Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Meenakshi Innovative Ideas. Today I am explaining you module 12 subject science shadows and images. Key points according to the lesson. Recognize the sources of light, define and describe a shadow, discuss the differences among opaque, transparent and translucent materials, predict whether certain objects cast shadows or not. For the shadow size depends on distance between an object and the light source. Create shadow puppets, shadow plays and hand characters. Understand and explain the relative lengths and shapes of shadow at different times of the day. Understand the formation of lunar and solar eclipse. Aims of learning. What do the children learn? A substance which gives light is known as a source of light. Shadows are formed when opaque objects obstruct the path of light, and in addition to light and object, we also need a screen to obtain the shadow of an opaque object. Light travels in a straight line. Light gets reflected when it falls on any object. An image is different from a shadow. Learning material. Sun. A glowing light, a glowing bulb, lighted candle, torch, a book, a pen duster, a polythene cover and a glass plate to get shadows. Screen to form shadows. A PVC pipe, oil, papers to rubber bands to make a pinhole camera. Magnifying lens. Unit plan, conceptual understanding. Children are able to explain, analyze, cite examples, give reasons and give comparison and differences. Explain the process of given concepts. Asking questions and making hypotheses. Children are able to ask questions to understand, to clarify the concepts and to participate in discussions. They are able to make hypotheses on given experimentation and field investigation. Children are able to do experiments on their own to understand given concepts in the textbooks. They are able to participate in field investigation and making reports on them. Examples: shadow puppetry. Information skills and projects. Children are able to collect information by using interviews, internet, etc. and analyze systematically. They are able to conduct their own project work. Example: a mirror is kept on the wall of their room. Their friend is sitting on a chair in that room. He is not visible to him in the mirror. How does he adjust his place so that he is visible to their friend in the mirror? Communication through drawing and model making. Children are able to explain their conceptual understanding by drawing figures and making models. Example: making a pinhole camera, drawing of the pictures of solar eclipse and lunar eclipse, creating of the shadow puppets, hand characters by moving hands. Appreciation and aesthetic sense and values. Children are able to appreciate manpower and nature and have aesthetic sense towards nature. They are also able to follow constitutional values. Example: they must have wondered when they compared their guesses and the actual objects of which shadows are formed. They appreciate and wonder about the formation of shadows by using hands. Individual work. Observing the shapes of shadows of a book, a pen, a duster, a ball and a round plate one by one in sunlight. Find out which the objects in your classroom and at home form shadows, which do not form shadows and which form an unclear shadow. Observe the shadow day-to-day life. Group work. Finding out of the color of shadow, getting different shapes of shadows of a single object, the material to evaluate, filling the blanks, choose the correct answer, question and answers, differentiate opaque substances, transparent and translucent substances. Applying of learning outcomes with the lesson. Making of different shapes by changing the hand shapes, using of model to fulfill the activity. Shadow puppetry, pinhole camera. Gender sensitivity, creativity, inclusive education. Both girls and boys participate in the activities. They can make more shapes. All types of students can understand easily. Thank you. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.